Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to find everyone you're following on Roblox using the latest web update for PC. If you've ever wondered where your following list went or how to access it quickly, you're in the right place. Let's get started by making sure you're on the right platform. Open up your preferred browser on your PC and head over to the official Roblox website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Now, here's where the new update comes in. Find the option labeled More on the left side menu. Click on it. This will expand additional choices that weren't immediately visible before. Next, select Friends from the expanded menu. This section isn't just for your friend list, it's also the hub for all your social connections on Roblox. Once you're in the Friends area, take a look at the top or near the center of the page. You'll notice different tabs or sections such as Friends, Followers, and, most importantly, Following. Click on the Following section. Instantly, you'll see a complete list of all the Roblox users you're currently following. This list is updated in real time, so anytime you follow or unfollow someone, it will reflect here. From this page, you can visit profiles, unfollow users, or simply keep track of all your favorite creators and friends. If you're looking to manage your social connections or just want to see who you're keeping up with, this is the place to do it. That's all there is to it. With this new update, finding your following list on Roblox Web for PC has never been easier. Remember, Roblox is always updating its interface, so staying up to date with the latest changes ensures you never miss out on new features or improvements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your Roblox community.